Good morning, my name's Eli. I'm the horticulturist for the Japanese garden here at Sarah P. Duke Gardens. With pollinators, the first thing that often comes to mind are bees and flowers. And while that's incredibly important, we also want to think about some other major elements that help support pollinators, whether it's bees, other insects, or birds, etc. And that includes water for bathing and drinking. It also includes shelter, like these ferns right here in front of me, older trees, snags, and hollows in order to hide from predators and to raise young. One other important element to think about is reducing or even eliminating chemical fertilizers and chemical pesticides. These can be poisonous to lots of different insects and other pollinators. Having sustainable practices above and beyond providing these basic support structures is really important to the health of the environment and pollinators specifically.